Hey guys, I'm your host, I'm your host Shubro. Welcome to your favorite channel, Shubro the Geek. So today we are gonna talk about how we can merge all the series which we are planning and how you guys can be benefited from them. So guys, if you don't have an introduction of me, let me introduce you. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the bell notification icon beside it so that you get notified each and every time we post a new video. Please share the content with your friends so that they also get benefited from this content. And guys, please do support us as we need your support for making this kind of content freely available to you guys. So guys, for me, I am a master scholar at Amity University, Kolkata, where I am learning data science and machine learning and trying my hands on IBM Qiskit. And my aim is to share the path and share the learning experiences so that you guys don't have to face uh, such problems which I faced while I started my learning. So I have with me one of my esteemed from industry who has been working as a core data scientist for a company based out of London for past couple of years, and he will be sharing his experience and he'll give the industry overview of each and everything out there. So guys, that's all. Let's hear it from Debayan what he has to say. So Debayan, you will be up next.
Yeah. Hi guys. This is Debayan. I'm currently working as a core data scientist at a UK startup based out of London. I've been in the industry for about 2 years now, and I specialize in developing and architecting end-to-end data science and machine learning models and solutions.
So, guys, if you have any queries regarding your journey into the world of data science, machine learning, or quantum computing basics, which we will be talking, you guys can follow us at our Discord channel. We have made an exclusive Discord server where I and Deban will always be available for you guys to solve your queries as fast as we can. So, guys, please follow the Discord. The link is given in the description box below, and please comment that you want this kind of thing. So we'll be there to help you out. So, guys, I am your host Shubra, and
I am Debayan.
so without further ado, let's start, shall we? So, Devan, at the very basics, we have talked in the past two videos that how we are gonna learn about data science,
Mm-hmm.
how we are gonna talk learn a bit about and share our experiences and how one can learn about quantum and how they can
Mm-hmm.
enter the path of quantum computing. So,
Mm-hmm.
Devan, today this video mainly I have planned on how we can merge them.
Mm.
So how we can merge them, the one that would be the question which I would be asking at the very end. But at the very first, what are the things that overlap between all the series which we have planned?
So the most important and the foundational part of all of these three is the mathematics section of series. Please, do check out our YouTube series on that. The core fundamentals that are common across data science, machine learning, and quantum computing and quantum information is fundamental and a very solid understanding of linear algebra, complex numbers, and probability and statistics. These are the core foundations which you need to learn. There is no way out of this. You need to understand vectors. You need to understand vector spaces, linear systems, and how they work. You need to understand fundamental statistics and how probability, conditional probability, and various measures of probability work. And you need to understand how to combine them, how to create mathematical formalisms using this. So there's no way out of this. You have to have a very good understanding of these three concepts in mathematics.
And I think this thing is equally important for data science, machine learning, as well as in quantum realm. Am I right or am I right?
Yeah, that's the whole point. Yeah.
So the next question, which according to me, I should throw at you is how to use, how to use one in the advantage of the other. Like how to use one series which we have in the advantage of the second, and how to use the both the series in the advantage of the third. So guys, mind you, we are planning three series. So guys, stay tuned, and if you have missed any updates, for all the updates you can join our Discord server. And the first thing you need to do is subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified each and every time we post a new video and you never miss an update. So Debayan, the second question to you is how to use one in the advantage of other.
Mm. So think of this as kind of like you're the pilot, right? And you have your ship. You're going towards on a self journey, a self learning journey towards one of these specific topics, or you might have even like data science, machine learning for now, and then in higher studies you might want to do quantum computing, like both of us, Shubra and I, want to take up on. So how we propose is that you take up our series, you take up our YouTube series as sort of like a guiding instruction, like a guide principle, and you follow through the concepts that we touch on every one of our single videos in those series. You make sure that you understand and develop very good like be very comfortable with those concepts that we have discussed in those videos, and then you will have a pretty good understanding what there is to know about the field that you can start on, you can start working towards, and what you want to specialize and focus on. Let's say you want to start, you want to specialize in machine learning, you want to focus on development of machine learning models. So for that you need to have a very good understanding of the whole linear algebra, the probability statistics series of things. So you need to go through the mathematics YouTube series at first, and once done you need to look up all the preliminaries leading up to developing and generalizing mathematical models, machine learning models. So knowing what there is to know is the name of the game. So our YouTube series help you do that. So that's my strategy, that has been Shubra's strategy, and that's how we would recommend you guys to do as well.
So Debayan, about the strategy, are there anything specialization, like they need some programming knowledge,
Hmm.
and for that what we have already discussed, like these are the programming knowledge, but we think common platform for all would be Python. So would you talk
Mm.
about Python?
So most of the programming aspects of these courses will be done in Python. Python is one of the easiest language to pick up if you are a complete beginner, to programming, or you want to learn things. You want to learn things in data science and machine learning. We would highly recommend you guys to sort of pick up on Python. Shubro actually has has a separate YouTube series on for beginners, complete beginners, or newcomers to sort of readily pick up Python concepts, basic fundamental understanding of the language ecosystem. And you might as well check his series out. Link should be in the description below. So that's your first starting point, and from there we're going to talk about specific libraries, specific frameworks for machine learning, like sklearn, tensorflow, pandas, numpy. And for quantum computing will be qiskit, IBM's qiskit. And we're going to use these libraries, understand the functions, understand the framework, and how to achieve whatever we're trying to implement and get things done in using those libraries.
So Debayan, from an industry point of view,
Hmm.
we are designing three series, and how our audience can be benefited from those three series from an industry point of view.
Mm. So, like when you start working, you get to have a very different sense of how things operate in the business side of things, in the business world, than when you're in college. So the key priority is you need to deliver value. You need to get things done. It doesn't matter how you do things, it doesn't matter what you have to learn overnight. It just matters that you get things done. You learn the things that you have to, if you do not know, right, on demand. And you provide value. You help the business grow. You help produce quantifiable metrics for the company, quantifiable value for the company. So the our YouTube series sort of help you know what there is to know in the first place, And like I said, the name of the game is knowing what to know, right? You're a complete beginner in this field, as we all are over here, right? And what we have done to sort of proceed ourselves further into this path is try to find out what others have done. See, look at the current state of the art, of the literature, of the research, of the work done in this field. Constantly follow up of them on, on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, name it, whatever your social platform that you use or prefer to use. And we will be making these videos for you guys only. That is the only reason why we are doing this. So follow all these routes, follow our videos, follow our YouTube series, catch up on current state of the art, follow people that sort of work in the domain, in the field that you're interested in. And you should have a pretty good layout of the field, of the landscape, whatever your domain is. And then I think you would be pretty comfortable then deciding which way you want to focus on in your current domain, be it quantum computing, data science, or just a simple machine learning and AI.
So, guys, as you have heard from Debayan, so guys, you have been receiving these three videos on we have started posting the videos on Sunday, Monday, and today is Tuesday. So, guys, from when we start the series from next week, that is the weekend. So each and every week on Sunday you'll be receiving one video for the series, and we have planned three series, and you guys will be receiving videos on every Sunday. So stay tuned on Sundays at 12. We'll be getting the series. And guys, as I have told you earlier, we have made a Discord server exclusively for your queries, where I and Debayan will be solving your queries any as soon as we can. So the link is given down below. So you need to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and then you can directly go to our Discord server and ask us the queries, throw the queries, so that we can help. And as we help, we also learn with you. So guys, that's all for the day. So as you have heard how we can merge those three series for your industry readiness. So that's all for the day, which we wanted to talk. And guys, thank you for staying with us for so long. I am your host Shubro, and
This is Debayan.
thank you for staying with us. We are signing off. Bye bye.